Hi, friends. Uh, First of all, I want to congratulate all those who had appeared for class 10th and 12th examinations. Congratulations on receiving your results. There are a lot of students who have scored excellent marks in their board exams. People are even scoring 99% marks in their examinations. So I want to congratulate them for their hard work. अब बात करते हैं उन बच्चों की जो कि 99% या 90% या अपना एक डिजायर्ड स्कोर नहीं स्कोर कर पाए. What about them? So I first of all I want to congratulate them as well. I want to congratulate them probably a little more. Now you would feel that this is not traditional. We always wish and congratulate the toppers. Yes, we do. I believe that we should appreciate the effort and hard work of those who have outshined in an examination. But at the same time, I want to say one thing, that an examination, board examination or any examination, is not a defining factor of your life. It cannot decide and define who you are and who you will be in your life. When I say that, it means that if you look around, we look at success stories. We look at people who have done exceptionally well in their life. We look at Mark Zuckerberg. We look at so many examples around us on the internet. We always hear a story that they were college dropouts. Okay, going to a Harvard and then dropping out of a Harvard institute is a big thing, which means that the person was at the caliber of going to Harvard, getting himself eligible to enter Harvard University. So that's a big thing. But even if you think that you are an average student, don't get disappointed. Don't feel that you are any less. Don't feel कि आप में कुछ कमी है. Always tell yourself that maybe I am made for something else. Maybe this is not my race. Marks definitely define, or it is a benchmark with which we evaluate when we appear for a job or something. But times have changed. Now people value more on the skills that you have. Now you could be an excellent singer, you could be an excellent web designer, you could be good at communications, you could be a good orator, आप बात अच्छी करते हैं, counseling अच्छी करते हैं. So there are a lot of skills which are not taught in the books, and you have to be human to be able to understand that. And every field has got success stories. Now when I talk about success, we think of names like a Sachin Tendulkar or a Virat Kohli. Why I give these examples again and again? Because these are common names that you and I can relate to, right? But if you go and look at their academic scores, most of them would not have even cleared the 10th or 12th board examinations. They speak really well, they make good money, they are well settled in their lives, right? So success is everywhere. Whether you're an artist, there are successful artists, there are successful cricketers, there are successful singers, musicians, any field that you go into, there are success stories. So you have to be very, very selective about what are your strengths, where you want to play, and what you want to be. When I was young, I used to hear these stories that if my hobby becomes my profession, it would be the best thing of my life. And honestly, I had no clue as to what my hobby was. And if somebody would ask me that, what are your hobbies? My standard answer would be watching cricket and playing cricket, because I couldn't think of another thing. But that's not creative. That's something which is called an escapist kind of an answer, that I'm trying to escape the question by not using my brains. क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोग मुझे जज करेंगे कि तुम्हारे 10th में इतने नंबर कम क्यों हैं, 12th में इतने नंबर कम क्यों हैं. Everybody cannot become a doctor. Everybody cannot go to IIT. Everybody cannot be what the world wants them to be. Because अगर ऐसा होगा तो म्यूजिशियन तो कोई बनेगा ही नहीं, क्रिकेटर भी कोई नहीं बनेगा. क्योंकि सब बच्चे सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स या इंजीनियर्स या फिर एक पर्टिकुलर माइंडसेट के अंदर ही चलने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू, दो स्टूडेंट्स स्पेशली जिनको ऐसा लगता है कि वो बेटर स्कोर कर सकते थे बट नहीं कर पाए, don't feel betrayed, don't feel low, don't feel that you are any less than those who have scored really well. It was just an examination which came and which went. You can't do much about it. What you can do is, in your given circumstances, you can take a better decisions for the rest of your life. And these situations will come for you, ahead of you at every step of life. आज वो 10th के बाद स्ट्रीम सिलेक्शन है, कल को वो 12th के बाद कॉलेज सिलेक्शन होगा. इट विल बी प्रोबेबली अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ सिलेक्टिंग अ लाइफ पार्टनर. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, राइट? सो I'm sorry, I've got some cold. So the idea here is that we should be very, very particular about what makes us happy, who we want to be, what we aspire to be, and don't let one wrong move spoil the entire game for the entire life, right? Your life is much precious and much bigger than one result. Don't let this dominate your life. My best wishes are for you. I hope you make the good decision and you make the right decision of going with what you want to be and giving your 100% for that. Best of luck. Jai Hind.